So finally, after a very long time, the package has arrived at my home, and you know what it is. This is from Hacktoberfest, and it took around 3 months to arrive it. Anyway, they have already declared it that it would take time. So those who don't know what is this, it basically DigitalOcean organized an event in which you had to make 4 valid pull requests in the month of October on GitHub in order to compete in this challenge. And those first 75,000 candidates who will do this will receive a swag pack from them by the name of Hacktoberfest 2020. The event was named as, that's what it has written on the front of the package. So it has finally arrived, and let me show you what is inside the package. Okay, so let's unpack it, and I will request the cameraman to show the package. So is it visible? Okay, so basically they have one t-shirt and bunch of stickers inside it. Let me just throw all of them out of the pack. Okay, so first thing first, the t-shirt. Okay, so the t-shirt, basically there was 2 kind of t-shirt. One was of white print and the another one that I have requested them to deliver. So there is nothing much but Hacktoberfest 2020 written on the front, and just presented by DigitalOcean, Intel and Dev, the partners of the event. T-shirt quality is quite nice, and there is nothing on the back. Let me show you that too. So as I said, there was 2 t-shirt, one that I have received, and one was of white print. Okay, so it's your choice. They will ask you what to print, and also they have variety of sizes. Okay, so and after that, you'll get bunch of laptop stickers that you can stick to your computer. I have already stick 2 of them. Let me show you that too. I have already stick 2 of the stickers on my laptop screen. One is that is GitHub logo, and the one is from DigitalOcean. Okay, it's something represent DigitalOcean. I'm not pretty clear about it, but one is the GitHub logo. They have like slightly changed it and make it a little creativity. Other than that, the Hacktoberfest sticker that we all know. I don't know what is this. This is from JetBrains. We all know Intel sticker. Okay, and one more, Mattermost Dev, the platform on which we write blogs. We all know, and one thick cardboard, I'll say, of Hacktoberfest logo. So there are quite a few stickers that you can use for your laptop screens. There is one more which I really like, and one more that is of DigitalOcean logo. 2 cards is also there with some information. You can read it out. Nothing much in it. Yeah, so that was it. One sticker. I'll request you to show my face. One bunch of stickers and one t-shirt. The t-shirt really what I was waiting for, and yeah, I will request you, those who did not participate in 2020, please participate in 2021 if they organize such event too, because you really don't need to do much, and at the end you will receive some swags that will really motivate you. Anyway, so that was it from this video. I'll try to keep making videos like that on my channel. And yeah, so that was it. I think I hope you would have liked the video, and if you did, don't forget to like it, and also comment what you liked about the video, what you did not, and also subscribe to my channel if you can. So yeah, that was it.